Hey, 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 it's Sunday. Beautiful day out. Got rained out racing yesterday, so we didn't get nothing for you guys yesterday. Hopefully next Saturday the weather is a little better and get that car out there and get some laps in. Gunner and I are gonna do a little trout fishing here in southern Somerset County, down around the Glencoe, Fairhope area. If you guys have never been down this way, man, is it beautiful. It's puts you in the mind of being up in Potter County. It's a little hidden gem. There's quite a few creeks down this way. Just being in the Appalachian Mountains, it's definitely something to see. But we're walking our way down in. Hopefully we catch a couple. We got a good bit of rain Friday. Yesterday the creeks were pretty high and muddy. I'm not going to say they were unfishable, but we decided against going. Waited for them to clear up a little bit and a little nicer weather. We give her a shot for a couple hours here. Catch you all soon. Creek's actually lower than I thought it would be. They must not have got as much rain down here as we did in the northern part of the county. Actually wish it had just a little bit more color to it. What is this little fella? Bluegill. Holy smokes, it's a giant. Maybe that's why I was getting so many bites on a waxworm. Could be a whole mess of bluegills out here. This bank is just crawling with snakes. Yay, 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 yay. There's a big one down there. Oh, there's one coming out right there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go on the other side. See him? He's right down there.
Oh, yeah, right there.
He was right here when I fell down the hill. Glad I didn't have the camera on for that.
He's probably close to 20.
Oof. There was one.
What are you using, Nightcrawler?
Yeah.
Tell him to get it.
So after I got home and started going over the video, a lot of the stuff that I got today, I had the camera in the wrong mode. So unfortunately the catches were not documented to publish. But like I said, I'm still figuring this stuff out. We'll hopefully have some better stuff here in the future. Thanks, guys. Alright guys, that's a wrap. We only had about 2 hours to fish. It wasn't quite as good as I thought it was going to be. I think I caught 5 and Gunner caught 1. But unfortunately I'm out of time. I got to take him back to his mother and get ready for another fun week of work. Yay! So catch up with you all probably next weekend. Hopefully the weather's a little more decent. We get some racing in, get some turkey hunting in, get some fishing in. And that's another thing. Yesterday was youth turkey. I forgot the GoPro. We did not connect, but man, did we have the birds gobbling. We saw, I don't know, probably 5 jakes and 3 longbeards. Had 2 longbeards hang up on a fence row at 70 yards. They did not want to come through that fence row. They just stood there and gobbled and gobbled and gobbled. And we tried to make a move on them, get in front of them, didn't pan out. Turn around and come back to where we were, and there was a longbeard standing 20 yards where we were set up. That's hunting though. But catch y'all next week. Appreciate y'all. All right.